Alright, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be part 3 of the AC install on my K-swapped EM2. Alright, I'm going to be using 12A refrigerant. It's the replacement to R134A. It's better for the ozone layer. It doesn't deplete it. So the thing to note here is that one of these cans, this little 6-ounce can of 12A, is equivalent to 16 ounces of 134A. So my system calls for between 17 and 19 ounces. So I'm basically going to be using this one whole can and then a couple ounces out of this one. So I got the manifold gauges both closed. These two gauges are open. I'm gonna go in the car, hit the AC button, turn the fan on, turn recirculation on, and hopefully the compressor will soon start kicking in once we start giving it some refrigerant. So the manifold gauges are all closed. Those two are open. I'm gonna put the can tap on. Alright, you're just going to screw this in until you hear it pierce the can. Right there. Then you back it off a tiny bit. Alright, before we go in and start the car, we're going to bleed this line of any air. Probably a good idea to wear gloves so you don't get any of this stuff on you. Alright, so I'm gonna start the car. Alright guys, so here's the plan. I'm gonna start the car, turn the fan to full, recirculation on, AC on, and then we're gonna go outside, slowly start giving it some refrigerant, and then I'm praying the AC compressor is going to kick on, because I don't even know if it's going to work how I wired it. So I guess we'll wait and see. Alright, I'll show you what temps it's blowing right now. You can see how it's fan on. So let's go start giving it some refrigerant. Okay, I'm gonna slowly open this gauge, this dial, let some refrigerant in. Slowly going. Make sure the red one's closed. You can see refrigerant in the window going in. There, the compressor just kicked on. Nice. Going to hold the can upside down. see the high pressure line slowly going up. Alright guys, the can's definitely empty. See, I'm going to close the manifold thing first. There's the second bottle. You're going to want to purge the line again. Alright guys, so I'm gonna let it go down a little bit. So there's almost 2 ounces just in the line. I'm gonna open it just a little bit. Just watching the high pressure line. Alright, that's it. I'm happy with it there. I'm going to close these two. Close these. Idle it at 1.5 here. It's going down. We're about 60. Outside it's like 85 degrees. Alright, so I'm just going on a drive. You guys can see my AC is going down to like 26. That's crazy. That's really cold. 25. That's while driving. Here. Thanks for watching if you watched part 1 and 2, and you know, stay tuned. Hopefully I'll come out with some more exciting content. I'll see you in the next one, guys.